Let's make the perfect crispy fried fish. With this recipe, the fish comes out crispy and crunchy on the outside while staying tender, light, and flaky on the inside. You can find the link for the recipe in the info box below or by visiting sweetysalado.com/en. To make this recipe, we're going to use white fish. You can use your favorite type of white fish like tilapia, catfish, red snapper, or cod, which is what I'm using. Then we're going to cut it into pieces, and we're going to season it very well on both sides with salt and pepper to taste. To make the batter, we're going to mix buttermilk with 1 large egg. If you don't have buttermilk, you can easily substitute it by mixing whole milk with a little bit of lemon juice. To make the breading, we're going to use all-purpose flour, and we're going to mix it with cornmeal, your favorite seafood seasoning. I love using Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, which is optional, and baking soda with baking powder. We're going to give it a mix until it's well combined. Now we're going to take each piece of fish and we're going to dip it in a little bit of flour. This is going to be the glue that's going to help the batter stick to the fish. And we're going to do this with every single piece of fish that we're going to fry. The next step is to dip each piece of fish in the batter. And what I'd like to do is use a fork when I do this because it makes things a lot cleaner and a lot easier. And then finally, we're going to cover the fish with the breading. Make sure it's covered on all sides so that it comes out nice and crispy after we fry it. We're going to deep fry the fish at 350 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now, I love using my deep fryer to make this recipe because it makes things a lot easier. However, you can also use a frying pan with plenty of oil over medium-high heat and fry it for about 3 minutes per side or until it's golden brown. Once the fish is golden brown, we're going to take it out of the oil and let it drain over paper towels. And just sprinkle it with salt to taste right before serving. And that's how easy it is to make a crispy fried fish that's super crunchy on the outside and tender and flaky on the inside.